We have applied for licenses. You see, we are yet to get the approval of the Reserve Bank of India, and once we get the approval, we will be on a fast track for. We plan to open around 60 to 70 branches. Totally from April onwards, we have opened a few branches. We will be opening more branches. Totally, I think during this financial year, we should end up with an increase in number of branches by about 60 to 70. Few branches will open within Andhra Pradesh also. You see, we have our roots in Andhra Pradesh. We would certainly like to blossom out to other parts of India also. We are a pan-India bank. We are not a bank, we have more number of branches in Andhra Pradesh. That doesn't mean that we have to confine our operations to Andhra Pradesh. We have about 1,000 plus branches in Andhra Pradesh out of 1,560 plus. We have a large concentration of branches in Andhra Pradesh. I do not exactly have the numbers at the moment now, but in terms of deposits, we have a sizable market share of business from Andhra Pradesh. In terms of agricultural lending, substantial amount comes from Andhra Pradesh. In terms of micro and small enterprises also, good chunk comes from Andhra Pradesh. If you look at big ticket lending and lending to corporates, etc., business comes from other parts of India also, besides Andhra Pradesh. We have been this recruitment of staff for the bank, based on requirements, we are doing it. It is not that we have not done in the past, we have been doing it, we will continue to do it. The numbers and all, you see, have to be fine-tuned. I will not be able to say exactly. It will not be a general number to say that I will do it. We will do it in alignment with our needs. We may need some agricultural officers, we may need some technical officers, we may need some engineers for the bank, we may need some chartered accountants for the bank, we may need analysts for the bank. So like that, we will go for a good number of officers with specialized skills which are required to meet tomorrow's challenges in the banking. Besides that, we will also go for some market officers with who are well versed in marketing, people with MBAs with a background in marketing, with prior work experience in other segments. So there will be a combination of people with general skills and also people with specialized skills. So that will be our basic focus in terms of recruitment. We are targeting a net profit level of 20% for the year. So we have on a half-year basis, we have shown around 18% growth from October 2009 to September 10. Our idea is between April to March, we expect to grow by totally our net profit should grow by 20%.